Y'all, I know. I know. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get notified every time I post another one of these lock updates, baby girl. Okay, if you're new here, my name is Jay, and girl, I went from having traditional locks to micro locks, and I really feel like this video should be a life update video, but girl, ain't nothing really happened, so I'ma just roll up in here like I hadn't been gone for 3 months, okay? Oh, and let me just say, I love y'all so much. So many of you guys have messaged me and like checked on me on my IG or whatever, and I appreciate y'all. Like, I can't, the love, man, the love, it just be so real, okay? It just be so real. It is just a little over 2,000 of y'all, but I'm just so happy to be building a community where there's just so much love. Like, I love it here, okay? I absolutely love it here. I do. I cannot leave the lock community because y'all some real ones, okay? But let's go ahead and jump right into what you guys came here for in the first place, okay? So you guys, I started my micro locks on 2/2/22. Yes, I did it on purpose. At present day, it is April 2nd. So I have been locked a whole 2 months, girl, a whole 2 months. I actually retied my hair for the first time about 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago. I think it's almost been 2 weeks now. Definitely been 2 weeks. So it's been about 2 weeks now, and bro, she still looks so good. Like, we love her. The traditional locks without being interlocked could never. Could never. They could never. I did do this set of locks myself. Yes, girl, I did. I know that I was staying with my last set that I wanted to go to someone else to do them, basically for perfection purposes. But this time, girl, I did it myself because there was no way I was about to pay somebody hundreds or up to $1,000 to do it. Girl, no ma'am, we would have went back to natural hair before we did that, because no, it's a big no for me, big dog, okay? I started them with the 2-strand twist method, and it was actually pretty easy. To me, the part that took the absolute longest was the parting, and that's just me once again trying to be a perfectionist, but that took the absolute longest. It took me about 16 hours to do these though, with breaks and everything up in between. Girl, I was literally in the car rider line twisting. I know, ratchet, ghetto, whatever you want to call it, but I was determined to get my hair done that day. I was determined to get it done that day. So I did use a certain type of grid, and I'll post a picture of the grid that I used up here somewhere. This is not my work, this is not my hair, this isn't any of that. But I did take a picture of my own hair before I started. It's like, girl, I just went straight into it. I did, however, wash, blow dry, trim, and section off my hair the night before. But the next day, it was literally parting and twisting, parting and twisting. And then I did wait for about 3 days before interlocking, because I was like, okay, let me make sure this is what I want, because I already know after this set, girl, I'm gonna have to cut my hair off if I don't like it. But so far, we loving it here. And already at 2 months with my last set of locks, girl, I was like, what did we get ourselves into? Because this is the whole entire ghetto, okay? It was the ghetto. I just wasn't used to having that loopy hair. Hair had shrunk all up, looking crazy. Oh my God, I wasn't ready. I honestly was not ready, and I honestly do not feel like I did enough research before starting that set of locks. Like, I started this set of locks with looking at like a couple people's hair, and it looked so good on them, but girl, it ain't for everybody. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I mean, locks are not for everybody. I mean, that's up for debate, because some of y'all be y'all be going at it. To me, natural hair in itself is for everybody. Because who are you to tell these people that they cannot walk around rocking the hair that they were born with? Like, ma'am, who are you to tell these people that? However, I just don't think that everything is for everybody. And those traditional locks, girl, they weren't for me. No ma'am. No ma'am. So for the people that actually know me and have seen my Microlocs already, a lot of people have been asking like, why Microlocs? Girl, it's the versatility for me. I'ma keep it 100. It's the versatility for me. Like, honestly, with my last set, I just didn't feel like I had as much versatility. I wanted to do box braids on my last set so bad and could not do them because they were bulky, they were looking crazy. It just was, just ugly. It was ugly, okay? It was ugly. But with this set, if I did want to do them, I could. I haven't had the desire to do them because I've been actually really loving my hair. This is the volume that I was missing with my last set of locks. And I feel like the changes with these happen just a little bit slower than they did with the traditional locks. Like, it happens so gradually that you can just kind of work your way into it or ease your way into a set of locks instead of literally waking up one day and you look completely different from the person that you looked like the other day. Okay, it's girl, it was giving no ma'am. I just couldn't. Also, I had faux locks for the month of December or whatever, and I just knew that when I did not want to take those faux locks out, that didn't even really look good in the first place. Let's just start there. They weren't even cute. But I didn't want to take the faux locks out. I knew that it was time for me to comb that set of locks out. I just had to. Like, I couldn't. I made a promise to myself going into 2022 that we were not going into a new year with anything that did not serve us. Like, the traditional locks, weren't serving me. They might be giving it to you, girl, but not for me. And I really apologize for the people that were like using my videos as like motivation or whatever, but girl, I hope you can love me the same with the Microlocs, okay? Because girl, it was ghetto. I can't even lie. I don't ever want to be on that side again. Well, let me not say never, because honestly, okay, if I get tired of them being so small, once they start to grow longer and things like that, I could always combine. But with the traditional locks, I couldn't just make them smaller. That's not what it was. Girl, it literally took me a whole week, well, a whole 5 days to comb out my last set of locks. And I had only had them for 11 months. But I already knew. I just could not keep going. And I was kind of upset at myself because I literally let myself go 11 months unhappy with something. Never again, honey. Never ever. But that does pretty much wrap it up for this video. I don't know if I'll be doing like monthly lock updates with these because like I said before, they don't just change as quickly as the traditional locks did. But if it's something that you guys want to see, let me know down below in the comment section and I'll do them for you. But if not, it'll be like every 3 months maybe. Oh, and maybe I should spin around and let y'all go ahead and see what we working with.
Too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. But you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, girlfriend.
So here we are. This is my new set of Microlocs. I hope you guys still follow the journey. If you don't, I completely understand. It's okay. But yeah, leave any questions that you guys may have down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next one.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep.